Hi, it's Hans with your GTA and York Region market update for September 17th, 2025. The Bank of Canada just lowered the overnight rate by 0.25%. That's the spark this fall market has been waiting for. Cheaper borrowing, fresh confidence, more buyers stepping off the sidelines. If you were waiting for a green light, this is it. Today is the first step. Momentum builds with each cut. Let's talk about what changes next and how to get in front of it. Here's the immediate impact. Prime rate typically moves down with the BOC cut, so variable rate and HELOC payments ease on the next statement. Fixed rates track bond yields, not the overnight rate, but when cuts keep coming and inflation cools, fixed rates often drift lower too. Translation, approval power inches up, monthly payment math improves, sentiment lifts, and that's what starts activity. This is how small rate moves create big shifts in the market mood. Look back to fall 2024. As the BOC cut rates in September, October, and December, buyer traffic jumped, showings surged, and sales rose year over year. Freeholds led the rebound, condos followed with a short lag, and the market moved before the headlines finished processing the news. The lesson is simple. When rate relief becomes credible, demand responds quickly. Expect the same rhythm to play out again, starting now. Here's where it gets exciting. Major bank base cases, including BMO, see room for 2 additional 0.25% cuts over the next few meetings. 3 cuts in a row is the recipe that reignited 2024. Each step expands the buyer pool. First-time buyers qualify, move-up buyers unlock equity, investors revisit cap rates as financing costs trend down. Inventory that felt heavy can tighten fast when demand accelerates. That's how we get a brisk winter and an energized spring launch. York Region Outlook, Aurora, Newmarket, East Gwillimbury, King, Richmond Hill, Stouffville, Markham, and Georgina. Freeholds typically react first as cuts stack. Expect quicker absorption, firmer pricing and entry, and mid-tier freeholds, and fewer successful deal of the century lowball offers. Detached momentum follows as confidence builds. Condos, watch for activity to lift first, then prices stabilize. Assignment pressure eases as resale sets the tone. Well-priced move-in ready units will lead the way. Smart buyers move early. Lock a 90 to 120-day rate hold. Refresh your pre-approval. Today's cut might boost your ceiling. Shortlist your top streets and models now. Set alerts for new listings and price improvements. It's usually cheaper to buy into the upswing than to chase it. If 2 more cuts land, competition will rise. Being prepared wins you the right home at the right number. Winning sellers front-run the next cut. Pre-list tune-ups and a clean pre-inspection reduce friction. Price for today, position for next month, stage, photograph, and market to capture returning buyer confidence. Early listers capture the first wave and better terms. Bottom line, today's 0.25% cut starts the turn. If 2 more cuts arrive, we'll likely replay 2024's post-cut lift, only faster. Want to read on your street or building? Message me rate cut and I'll run the numbers for you.